Hello students, today we will learn relativistic energy under the heading Einstein mass energy relation. The mass of a body which is at rest or moving with velocity which is much lower than the velocity of light can be transformed into its rest energy, which is given by m naught c square, where m naught is the rest mass as per Einstein mass energy relationship. The kinetic energy attained by this body during its motion is very small as compared to its rest energy. Hence, the two quantities are taken as separate identities and are never added up. But when the body moves with a velocity which is very high, comparable to the velocity of light, then its kinetic energy which it attains in its journey becomes very high and is comparable to its rest energy. In such a case, the kinetic energy is not neglected and is added with its rest energy. This high kinetic energy attained by the body in its motion is called as relativistic kinetic energy, which is a function of relativistic mass m. Hence, the total energy possessed by the body is equal to the sum of its rest energy, which is obtained when its rest mass m naught is converted into energy, and the energy attained by the body in its motion through the space. This excess gain in energy or excess gain in kinetic energy is accounted by excess gain in relativistic mass. This total energy of the body is called as relativistic energy, which is equal to mc square and is obtained when the entire relativistic mass of the body is converted into energy. Let us consider an example. A particle of rest mass m naught moves with a speed c by root 2. Calculate its mass, momentum, total energy and kinetic energy. In this question, we have been given the rest mass of the particle, that is the mass possessed by the particle when it is at rest, which is m naught. Now when the particle is moving with a speed c by root 2, as we can see it is very high speed comparable to speed of light, then the mass which it will attain will be the relativistic mass. As a result of gain in relativistic mass, there is an excess gain in relativistic kinetic energy during the journey. So we have to find this kinetic energy and then the total energy, which will be the sum of this relativistic kinetic energy gained during the motion and the rest energy possessed by the body when its rest mass is converted into energy. The momentum of the body in this case will be the relativistic momentum, which will be the product of relativistic mass and its velocity. So in the question it is given that the rest mass of particle is m naught, speed of particle is c by root 2. We have to find relativistic mass, momentum, total energy and relativistic kinetic energy. So from the relation of relativistic mass m with rest mass m naught, we get, substituting the value of v, c by root 2 in the above equation, we get relativistic mass as under root 2 m naught kilograms. So the relativistic momentum, which is product of relativistic mass into velocity, becomes m into c by root 2. So we have just calculated m is under root 2 m naught. So substituting, we will get m naught c kilogram meter per second as the relativistic momentum. Total energy E is relativistic mass into c square. So we have calculated relativistic mass as under root 2 m naught. So E becomes under root 2 m naught c square. Relativistic kinetic energy is the energy which is gained by the particle in its motion. So it will be the difference of total energy minus the rest energy. So m minus m naught c square, we get root 2 minus 1 m naught c square.